A little bit about ITIL Product version 5, training and certification. The qualification has 4 learning outcomes. Learning outcome 1 is foundations, the anatomy and characteristics of digital products and services would be achieved. Learning outcome 2 is the 8 product lifecycle stages in depth. Learning outcome 3 is organizational and technology enablement in terms of operating models, value streams, integrated tool chains, and AI. And the last learning outcome is governance, risk, and complementary frameworks, including DevOps and Prince2. All 4 are assessed in the final exam. A little bit about course structure and syllabus categories. Section 0 is this introduction. Section 1 covers foundations. Sections 2 to 9 each cover one lifecycle activity: design, discovery, design, acquire, build, transition, operate, deliver, and support. And section 10 brings everything together holistically. Within each section, the structure is consistent. We would look into key concepts, enabling practices, steps and outputs, then success factors and metrics. That consistency builds a reusable thinking framework applicable to any life cycle stage. Exam overview and strategy. The exam is 40 multiple choice questions, closed book, 90 minutes, 70% pass mark, that is 28 correct answers out of 40. Prerequisite is ITIL version 4 or 5 foundation. Critical strategic insight. The exam tests application, not memorization. Questions are scenario-based using the ICR car rental case study. And throughout this course, every concept is anchored in this case study. So you build applied knowledge and understanding from day one. Exam weighting, where to focus. Now, section 1, which is foundations, and section 10, which is holistic view, each carry 15%. The 4 construction phase sections, which is discover, design, acquire, and build, each carry 10%, totaling 40%. The 4 value phase sections, which is transition, operate, deliver, support, each carry 7.5%, totaling 30%. And the life cycle activities from discover through build represent your highest value revision target. For the next several slides, we meet ITIL car rental, also called as ICR, the case study running throughout the official publication and forming the basis of every exam scenario. Get to know these characters and this business context well. The more naturally you think in ICR terms, the faster you will pass and answer questions under exam time pressure. Now, ICR was founded in Seattle 10 years ago to provide convenient, affordable rental cars globally. It has grown into a recognized international brand with a franchise network across Europe, the US, and Asia Pacific. Roughly 400 direct employees and a reputation built on customer satisfaction. Repeat business accounted for nearly a third of all early reservations. ICR has expanded through mergers and acquisitions into new markets and new service lines, most notably car sharing, and is now at strategic inflection point. ICR relies heavily on digital technology for both internal operations and customer-facing services. Mobile applications are developed and run by the internal IT team. AI is used for predictive maintenance, customer support, smart check-in, and scheduling. Meanwhile, the market is shifting fast. Car sharing services, ride-share apps, and driverless vehicles are reshaping customer expectations. The board responded by appointing Max as CIO, chosen for his experience in digitalization and large-scale IT transformation and his grounding in ITIL design thinking, DevOps, and agile methods. Three key characters: Max, the CIO. He is the executive visionary, experienced in digital transformation, believes in an integrated approach to digital product and service management. Anna is a product manager, 5 years at ICR, commercially focused and eco-conscious, with a strong commitment to customer experience. Maria is an IT business analyst, a proactive communicator bridging IT and business, specialist in discovery and planning, talent for spotting patterns and trends in data. Three more characters. Omar, the IT delivery manager, manages ongoing service delivery using ITIL practices, currently adapting to collaborative product-led approaches. Sam is a head of product development, over 10 years in mobility and automotive innovation, oversees the complete product lifecycle from vision to delivery. Alex, the enterprise architect, ensures product design and technology strategy are aligned and future-proof, highly analytical, focused on systemic risk. The six represent every major role perspective across the 8 lifecycle stages. Max's vision is to pioneer digital transformation and make ICR the go-to name for car rentals worldwide, with autonomous vehicles as the differentiating innovation. Notice the Bloom's taxonomy pyramid on this slide. It is a reminder that the exam operates at the higher level, applying, analyzing, and evaluating, not just remembering. Max's vision sets the strategic filter through which every product decision at ICR must be assessed. Governance. ICR operates across multiple countries with various regulations. Car sharing and autonomous vehicles are governed differently across jurisdictions, and self-driving cars can't be introduced in some markets at all. ICR has responded with a governance model, blending clear global direction with local autonomy, enabling the company to stay competitive in fast-moving mobility landscape while maintaining compliance and consistency across all markets. ICR's governance operates on coordinated autonomy. The board defines the overall vision and strategic direction, while local branches and service owners have genuine freedom in how they achieve those goals. Risk appetite varies by context, very low tolerance in regulated domains, i.e. safety, traffic rules, data protection, etc., and limited risk acceptance in innovation settings, provided risks are identified early and controlled quickly. Experimentation is encouraged within shared principles and regulatory expectations. ICR's operational model or operational context evolves constantly. Regulations change, cities introduce environmental rules, and economic factors shift the business environment rapidly. Fast decision-making is therefore essential. Local teams can act within agreed boundaries without central approval on every decision. Compliance is distributed across the organization with central audit providing oversight. The governance capability is well established. Accountability is clear at board level. Digital systems are standardized reporting, and strong analytical tools support informed decision-making at every level.